Hi everyone. Today I'm playing with seeing how my bird reacts with the dogs, and it's very funny right now. So my dog Romeo right here is licking my bird, and Bella's just watching, freaking out.
Easy, Romeo.
Easy, Glacian. Don't want to fall. Yeah, I don't want to fall.
Easy, Romeo.
Yeah, I don't want to fall, Glace.
Good boy, Romeo.
I want to see Bella. Oh,
Romeo.
Romeo.
Easy.
Romeo. Rome's. My bird is playing with my
Hey.
hippies. Oh my god. Don't lick it.
Overall, they did good. Good boy, Romeo.
Yeah. Let's see Bella's reaction. Come here, Bells.
Bella's like scared.
Look at my shoulder. That's a sound that I've never heard before.